Hey everyone, it's Tom here with thisonlineworld.com, and we're all having a fantastic day today. So answering surveys is one of the most commonly recommended side hustles out there. And out of all the survey companies, Survey Junkie is one of the most popular. This market research platform lets you share your opinion to earn cash and gift cards, and it pays out over $55,000 per day to members in rewards. But is Survey Junkie a scam or is it legit? And can you really make money with this popular survey website? Well, I signed up for Survey Junkie, I tested it out, I cashed out, and this Survey Junkie review is breaking down how it works, how much I made, and also some hidden tips and tricks you should know to maximize your earnings if you decide to sign up. Let's get to it. All right, so just starting off really quickly, what exactly is Survey Junkie and what is this survey site all about? Well, Survey Junkie is a free survey website that lets you complete surveys in your spare time to earn. You can sign up with your email if you're 18 or older and if you live in the United States, Canada, or Australia. Now, if you don't live in these countries and Survey Junkie is not available near you, don't worry, don't skip the video. At the end of this video, I'll be covering some globally friendly alternatives you can use instead. But anyway, Survey Junkie is really one of the most popular companies in the entire survey industry, and it's actually been around since 2011 and has millions of members, and like I mentioned, it's known for paying out over $50,000 every single day to those members. But that's enough of the backstory. Let's dive into how Survey Junkie actually works and how you make money with this website. All right, so starting off, you're going to sign up for Survey Junkie with your email, and this takes about 30 seconds and is completely free. Once you sign up, you then answer a very brief profile questionnaire, and this will take you a couple of minutes. This questionnaire basically asks you all kinds of questions like your background, your education level, your job, if you have pets, if you have kids, the kind of products you like. And the whole idea is that Survey Junkie is trying to learn more about you so it can recommend more relevant surveys. This is kind of the nature of every survey site. You're pretty much always doing some kind of welcome survey or questionnaire to sign up, but you do get a 5-cent bonus for completing this and then a 25-cent bonus for verifying your email. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And from there, you can start answering available surveys on your main Survey Junkie dashboard as they become available. And surveys are really the main way to make money with Survey Junkie. So you're not going to find gaming or shopping offers like you would with something like free cash or swag bucks. That said, surveys is what Survey Junkie specializes in, no surprise, surprise, and it does a pretty good job at it, in my opinion. I like that surveys have a time estimate and generally pay about 25 cents to $1, but you can sometimes find surveys that pay $1 to $2 or a bit more if you get a bit lucky. So again, a lot of those surveys in my account pay about 25 cents, maybe 35 cents to $1, and they take about 10 to 20 minutes to complete on average. And in my testing of Survey Junkie, I found that the whole survey experience itself is pretty smooth. I mean, I don't get disqualified that often. I still get disqualified sometimes, but again, this is just how survey sites work. But importantly, I didn't run into any bugs or glitches or really kind of clunky UI elements that made the process of actually answering surveys really annoying or disappointing. So again, you can just sign up, you start answering surveys when they become available, and if you complete a survey, the money deposits in your account. All right, so cashing out and rewards. How do you then cash out with Survey Junkie and reap the benefits of using this website? Well, Survey Junkie has a $5 cash out requirement, which is pretty competitive in the world of surveys, and it lets you redeem your earnings for a variety of rewards. Currently, you can cash out with Visa gift cards, PayPal cash, bank transfers, or gift cards to companies like Amazon, Walmart, Apple, Target, Starbucks, and Sephora. This is pretty solid selection, and I like that PayPal cash and bank transfers are on the table, and then you have some major gift cards from popular retailers, so it pretty much has something for everyone. Just note that a PayPal redemption can take a few days to process, and a bank transfer can take up to 5 or 6 days, so the gift cards send pretty quick, but if you're redeeming cash, you probably have to wait a couple of days. Anyways, I answered about 8 surveys on Survey Junkie and cashed out a $5 Amazon gift card. I'll show you my Amazon gift card redemption above, and yeah, the process was pretty smooth. I mean, signed up with my email, answered a survey or two every day, and then after about a week and a bit, I got my $5 gift card after completing those surveys. Now, one important thing to note is that you have to verify your identity with Survey Junkie before you cash out. So for me, this meant submitting a photo of my Canadian driver's license and taking a selfie. And I know a lot of people don't like this, but unfortunately, survey sites and GPT sites these days are starting to require members more and more to verify their identity before cashing out. And this is to deal with a lot of bots and spammers. So again, if you don't want to verify your identity, survey sites like Survey Junkie aren't for you. But again, I can confirm that I verified my identity, I answered some surveys, I cashed out, and I did get paid on time. All right, so the earning potential. How much can you realistically make per day or per week or per month with Survey Junkie? Well, like I said, this survey platform pays out over $50,000 in rewards to members every single day. It's legit and it pays on time, but it's important to have some realistic expectations here. If you answer answer just a few surveys per day while watching TV or, on your commute on the way to work, on the train or something like that, you can probably make $20, $30, even $40 a week with Survey Junkie. And this is over $100 per month in your pocket. And yes, you're probably making about $4 to $5 per hour max. But again, survey sites aren't going to let you quit your day job. They're not going to pay you hundreds or thousands of dollars, but they can make you some nice side cash without much effort. For me personally, it took me a bit over an hour and a half or so to get that $5 gift card reward. So again, you're not making more than $4 or $5 an hour oftentimes. If you get lucky, you might earn a little bit more, but if you get a bit unlucky and have some disqualifications, again, you might earn $3 or $4 an hour. So just have some realistic expectations. However, that does bring me to a Survey Junkie tip I wanted to share in this review that not a lot of people know about, and it can help you increase your earnings. If you sign up for Survey Junkie and you want to make more money, you can also sign up for SJ Pulse. So this is a free extension and mobile app that helps you get more surveys on Survey Junkie and make more money. And basically, it just works in the background to track your activities like what you search, the websites you visit, and the ads you see. In other words, you're basically opting in to share more data with Survey Junkie, and in exchange, you qualify for exclusive surveys and also earn some bonuses along the way. Now, again, you have to be comfortable sharing your data for this to be a good idea. So if you're using other passive income apps that, pay you for sharing your data, and you're also using Survey Junkie, this could be a good fit. And again, not a lot of people know about SJ Pulse, so I just wanted to mention it in this review. All right, guys, so the pros and cons of Survey Junkie. Why would you sign up for this website, and why might it be a bad idea for you? Well, the first pro I want to mention is just that it is super simple to use. I think the team has recently updated the UI. At least my Survey Junkie account looks a little bit different than when I used it back in college. And again, pretty simple experience. Sign up for free, answer surveys, get paid, really easy to use. The second pro is just those fast $5 cash outs. Again, competitors like Branded Surveys, they have a $5 cash out requirement, but lots of other players in the space have a $10 or even $15 cash out requirement. So I think this is a selling point for Survey Junkie. And the third pro is just a variety of rewards. I mean, you got cash, you got gift cards, you got bank transfers, so you have pretty much anything you would ever want to redeem. All right, as for the cons, well, really that first one is that Survey Junkie is only available in a few countries. Again, it's in North America and it's in Australia, so it's not globally friendly. The second con is just that you can get disqualified when answering surveys, and this isn't a unique downside to Survey Junkie. Pretty much every survey site is like this, but it can be a little bit annoying if you spend a couple minutes trying to qualify for a survey and then you get disqualified and you just get like a token point or two or nothing at all for your efforts. And the third con that I wanted to mention is just the small sign-up bonus. Again, some sites out there like Inbox Dollars give you a $5 sign-up bonus. Survey Junkie, you get about 25 cents to 30 cents for just signing up and verifying everything. Not huge, but again, the lower cash out requirement kind of makes up for this. So is Survey Junkie worth it? And what is the scam or legit score for this one, guys? Well, I'm going to give Survey Junkie a 4 out of 5, and I do think it's worth using. Ultimately, if you want an easy side hustle and you like survey sites, I think Survey Junkie should definitely be on your roster. I think the fast payouts, I think the easy user interface, I think the reward variety kind of make it a top survey company for good reason. Now, if you're looking to make thousands of dollars per month, or you really don't like surveys, or you prefer GPT sites with, gaming offers or shopping offers and a bit more variety, Survey Junkie probably isn't going to be the best fit. But yeah, ultimately, I'm giving it a 4 out of 5. I think it's a great survey site, and I think it is quite competitive with the other sites out there. Now, like I mentioned, I did want to wrap up this video with some more globally friendly alternatives, because I know a lot of you guys don't live in North America or Australia, and you guys are kind of all over the world. So here are a few Survey Junkie alternatives you can also consider. The first would just be free cash. I have a video on this channel and one on webmonkey.com as well about, how to use free cash, how to cash out and everything like that. And it is a very versatile GPT site that is available in dozens of countries. Ipso I say is another great one. It's a globally friendly survey site. I think it's in over 70 countries at this point. It's quite globally friendly, and it also lets you cash out at $5. And finally, Toluna is another one. It's a survey site as well. It's similar to Survey Junkie, has a bit of a higher cash out requirement, but it is also available in dozens of countries. Now, I'll be linking some of these survey sites down below, including Survey Junkie and my review of Survey Junkie if you want to check that out for even more info. So hopefully at least one of these options works for you. But yeah, anyways, guys, that does it for this Survey Junkie review. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it helps you decide if this site is worth it or if it's going to be one that you skip. That really does it for this one, guys. Thanks so much for watching. As always, I hope you have a fantastic day and week. And as always, don't forget to check out thisonlineworld.com for more unique ways to make and save money. Catch you guys in the next one.